Today I want to show you how to overcome past money mistakes. That sinking feeling when you check your bank account is more common than you think. If shame or regret surfaces, you are far from alone in this experience. Many adults face similar challenges. According to a Bankrate report, 59% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency expense. In the past year, 37% needed to use their emergency savings. Most people do not learn personal finance basics in school. Considering the complexity of saving, debt, and budgeting, it is understandable to make errors. These financial missteps are a normal part of life. Self-pity will not help you reach your goals, but self-compassion and actionable steps will. Your previous financial choices do not define your worth, and they also do not permanently damage your future. Recovery is entirely possible with the right approach. This guide will walk you through practical strategies. You can move from financial shame to confidence, regardless of your starting point. Let's begin the journey toward a brighter financial future. Key takeaways in this video are: financial difficulties are a widespread experience, not a personal failure. Lacking formal education in money management makes errors common. Shifting from self-blame to self-compassion is the first step forward. Past financial decisions do not have to limit your future possibilities. A systematic, actionable plan is the key to rebuilding financial health. This guide provides a clear path from feeling stuck to gaining control. Acknowledge and understand your financial past. Financial recovery begins with an honest assessment of previous choices and their consequences. This initial step transforms vague worries into clear, manageable issues. You gain power by facing what has occurred rather than avoiding it. Recognizing the impact of financial errors on your life. Every financial decision creates ripple effects throughout your life. These choices influence your stress levels, relationships, and future opportunities. Understanding this connection helps you see why change matters. Common missteps include overspending, accumulating excessive debt, or delaying savings. Even successful individuals have encountered similar challenges. The key is learning from these experiences. Reflecting on the emotions tied to past mistakes. Feelings of guilt or shame often accompany financial errors. These emotions are normal responses to challenging situations. Acknowledging them is part of the healing process. Writing down your concerns can provide clarity and relief. This practice turns abstract anxiety into concrete issues you can address. It creates space for constructive solutions rather than self-blame. Remember that this reflection serves as foundation building. It prepares you for positive financial changes ahead. How to overcome past money mistakes. A step-by-step guide. A clear, structured path forward is essential for transforming financial anxiety into actionable progress. This guide breaks down the journey into manageable phases. Each phase builds upon the last, creating a sustainable process for rebuilding your economic well-being. Owning up to financial blunders. The first critical step is accepting responsibility for your role in the situation. This honest acknowledgement is the foundation for genuine change. Assess the full impact of the error without judgment. This clarity allows you to learn effectively from the experience. Sharing your situation with a trusted advisor or loved one can provide a new perspective. It also lightens the emotional load you carry. Developing small, actionable steps for recovery shift your focus from what went wrong to what you can do right now. Create a simple plan that aligns with your core goals. Sustainable progress comes from consistent minor adjustments, not overwhelming leaps. Identify one small change you can make today. Commit to continuous learning using available tools and resources. Once you have taken these constructive financial recovery steps, practice letting go of lingering guilt. This empowers you to move forward with confidence and self-compassion. Rebuilding your financial foundations transform your financial situation by implementing systems that operate seamlessly in the background. This approach removes daily decision-making stress and creates consistent progress toward your goals. Establishing a realistic budget and savings plan. Start by dividing your money into 3 clear categories. Essentials cover housing, food, and transportation. Flexible spending includes entertainment and dining out. Future goals focus on savings and debt reduction. Track your actual spending for 1 month without changes. This reveals patterns and identifies areas for improvement. Caroline Russell, Senior Marketing Manager at One Day in July, emphasizes simplicity. The most common budgeting mistake is overcomplication. A good budget should be simple to update and easy to stick with. Focus on the big picture rather than minute details. Your budget should reflect real life, not an ideal version. Automating bills, debt repayments, and retirement contributions. Automation creates financial discipline without constant effort. Set up automatic transfers for savings when you receive income. Even small amounts like $15 per paycheck build momentum. Schedule all bill payments to avoid late fees. Arrange extra debt payments beyond minimum requirements. For retirement, contribute automatically to your employer's plan or personal IRA. Prioritize employer retirement matches. This is essentially free money that accelerates recovery. These automated systems work continuously, supporting your financial recovery journey while freeing mental energy for other priorities. Embracing financial education and self-care. True financial wellness combines practical knowledge with emotional awareness. This balanced approach creates sustainable progress beyond simple number tracking. Your recovery journey benefits from both learning and emotional support. These elements work together to build lasting confidence. Enhancing your financial literacy. Through tools and courses, numerous resources support your financial education. Free online courses, budgeting apps like YNAB and Rocket Money, and financial calculators provide practical guidance. Credit counseling and money coaching offer personalized advice. These services help you navigate complex situations with expert support. Dedicate regular time to learning about personal finances. Consistent education builds understanding that supports positive changes. Nurturing emotional and mental well-being and money management. Financial self-care involves acknowledging your emotional responses to money. Recognize feelings like stress or excitement without judgment. Create healthy habits for processing these emotions. Celebrate milestones with small rewards that align with your goals. Share achievements with trusted partners to reinforce progress. This emotional support system strengthens your overall financial health. Overcoming debt and credit challenges. Managing your credit and debt effectively forms the cornerstone of long-term financial stability. These financial tools, when used strategically, become assets rather than liabilities in your journey. Implementing strategies to manage and eliminate debt. Effective debt reduction requires a clear plan. The snowball method focuses on paying smallest balances first for motivational wins. The avalanche approach targets high-interest accounts to minimize total costs. Both strategies create momentum toward debt freedom. Creating contingency plans ensures unexpected circumstances don't derail your progress. This foresight protects your financial recovery. Improving your credit score with consistent financial habits. Start by obtaining your free credit report from major bureaus. Review it carefully for errors that may lower your score unfairly. Caroline Russell emphasizes, making consistent on-time payments is the single most important factor to building and maintaining a strong credit score. Keep your credit utilization below 30% of available limits. Consider secured cards if you need to rebuild from scratch. Preparing for future financial goals and retirement. Each positive financial decision today creates opportunities tomorrow. Debt elimination frees resources for savings and investments. Your improved credit profile opens doors to better rates on major purchases. This supports long-term goals like home ownership and retirement planning. Every step forward in managing your finances builds toward a more secure future. setting sustainable financial goals for the future. Financial resilience emerges from establishing measurable targets that withstand life's uncertainties. These objectives provide direction for your financial decisions and create stability during challenging times. Creating an emergency fund and planning for unexpected expenses. An emergency savings account protects you from unexpected costs like medical bills or job loss. Without this cushion, you might rely on credit or debt to cover urgent expenses. Start with small monthly contributions of $50 or $100 in a high-yield savings account. Gradually build toward covering 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Bankrate data reveals 59% of Americans cannot afford a $1,000 emergency. Yet 37% needed emergency funds last year, highlighting this critical need. Align your goals with personal values for career changes, mortgage payoff, or charitable giving. Break large objectives into manageable steps using strategic financial goals that stick. Time frame monthly contribution. Target balance. Key milestone. Months 1 to 3. $50. $150. Initial cushion established months. 4 to 12. $100. $1,200. 1 month of basic expenses. Year $250. $3,000. 3 months safety net automate savings contributions to ensure consistent progress. This approach builds financial confidence for pursuing larger life ambitions without fear of setbacks. In conclusion, your financial journey transforms when you embrace both practical strategies and emotional healing. Remember these affirmations when facing challenges. It's not the end of the world. Your worth isn't tied to money, and you deserve the same forgiveness you'd offer others. Financial success emerges from consistent, small changes rather than perfect plans. The steps you've learned, budgeting, automation, debt management, create lasting improvement when practiced over time. Integrate self-care into your daily routine to maintain momentum. This balanced approach reduces stress and builds confidence in your decision-making abilities. Your potential for a bright future remains strong, regardless of previous experiences. Every positive choice moves you toward better financial health and personal fulfillment.